हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। आज की इस क्लास में हम लोग क्लास 7 गुलमोहर गोल्डन जुबली एडिशन से चैप्टर नंबर 7 द स्कॉलरशिप को जैकेट दैट इज़ रिटन बाय मार्टा सालिनस को डील करेंगे। और इस वीडियो में हम लोग इस चैप्टर से क्वेश्चन आंसर और एक्सरसाइजेस को डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले ये जो फर्स्ट पेज है मैं आपको दिखा दूँ, गिवन ऑन पेज नंबर 75। Now let us move towards the question lesson directly understanding the text. ये to complete this study. लाइन्स फ्रॉम द टेक्स्ट, यहाँ पे आपको लाइन्स जो है वो आपके टेक्स्ट की दी हुई है और इन लाइन्स का मतलब क्या है, व्हाट दिस टेल अस, ये बताना है। ठीक है, तो पहला है ऑल चिल्ड्रन इन आवर फैमिली कुडंट पार्टिसिपेट इन स्पोर्ट्स इन स्कूल। पैराग्राफ 2 में दिया है, चेक करेंगे तो पैराग्राफ 2 में एक मैं आपको एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे दिखा दूँ, आपको समझ में आएगा। देखिए यहाँ से, ठीक है। तो अभी आपको जब आप ये चैप्टर पढ़ेंगे तो ये चीज़ें आपको समझ में आएंगी। ठीक है, इसका क्या मतलब है? इसका मतलब ये देखिए कि एज शी कम्स फ्रॉम अ पुअर फैमिली दे कुड नॉट अफोर्ड द कॉस्ट दैट केम विद प्लेइंग स्पोर्ट्स सच एज रजिस्ट्रेशन फी, यूनिफॉर्म कॉस्ट एंड trips out of town. Luke Jones' father is not only on the board, he owns the only store in our town. ये पैराग्राफ 5 में है, इसका मतलब क्या है चलिए देखते हैं। John's father is very influential and there might be consequences for the school and the teachers if they don't ensure that John gets the scholarship jacket. ठीक है, तीसरा देखते हैं बच्चों। As you know, it has always been free. This year, the board has decided to charge $15. Paragraph 8. Now, answer is here. Marta will not get the jacket that she had earned. She will have to pay a sum of $15 that she cannot afford to get her jacket. ऐसे क्वेश्चन 4 का देखते हैं। I knew I had to be honest with grandpa. It was my only chance. पैराग्राफ 15। ये देखिए पैराग्राफ 15 का क्वेश्चन 4 है। She had to be up front with her grandfather and explain the situation to him and ask him for the money and not to beat around the brush. He was an honest and a straightforward man. 5 का आंसर मैं बता दूँ इसी के साथ ही, that is she was excited and happy beyond the words that she got the jacket that she deserved without having to pay the $15. 6 का देखें। Her grandfather hurriedly asked her to leave and get back to the house and had help her grandmother with supper as he did not want Martha to see how emotional he was. Martha, however, knew this, hence he could not fool her. अब देखिए ये 1 to 5 हमने कंप्लीट किया यहाँ पर, 1 to 6। ठीक है, अभी 1 to 6 हमने 1A पार्ट को कंप्लीट किया। बढ़ते हैं B पार्ट की तरफ। ठीक है, पार्ट B आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन। तो जो आंसर दे इस क्वेश्चन में पहले क्वेश्चन है, वाई डू यू थिंक मार्टा मेंशन्स दैट हर सिस्टर रोजी हैड वन द जैकेट एज वेल? पैरा Marta mentioned that her sister Rosie had won the jacket as she looks up to her sister, and that despite the family being unable to afford to give all the children a chance to play sports, they were all bright and hardworking. Question 2. What is the jacket the only chance for? Why it is the only chance for? Paragraph 2. The jacket is the only chance for the Martin's family to win something, a tangible symbol of their academic success. Question 3. What do Mr. Boone and Mr. Suchwitz argue about? Why were they arguing? Para 4 to 5. So, they were arguing about who the scholarship jacket should go to. Marta would be the class validation as he and she had been a straight a student since since the five बेटा यहाँ पर थोड़ा आंसर चेक करिए since the first grade. But Mr. Boone tried to reason with Mr. Sitchemich to convince him that it should be awarded to John. He cited the influence of her powerful father, who was on the board and owned the family store in town, and that there would be consequences if John does not get the jacket. He wanted to declare it as close tie and award the jacket to John, but Mr. Suchmit could not bring himself to do it and declared that he would resign from his job if that were to happen. Question four. What could Mr. Sandwich mean by Marta is Mexican? How does this make the situation? ठीक है situation even worse for Marta. Para 4, para 6. So Mr. Sitchemich wanted to emphasize Marta's authenticity because he feels that immigrants always have to work harder to prove themselves in a new country and that they are sometimes discriminated against. It makes the matter worse for Marta because this is beyond her control. She was losing out on something that she truly deserved. Question 5. Has there really been a change in the policy as the principal said? Paragraph 8. No, there was no chance in the policy like the principal mentioned. He was acting on the words of Mr. Boone to please John's powerful father and avoid any consequences that the school and the teachers might face because of that. Question 6. Why does Martha describe herself as withdrawn? What does this tell you about her personality when she is not sad? Paragraph 20. She described herself as withdrawn, not wanting to talk, to convey how she was feeling when her grandfather did not give her the required money. She is energetic and talkative when she is not sad. Question number 7. Why was there a change in the principal attitude towards the problem? Para 4, 24 to 27. There was a chance in the sorry. There was a change in the principal's attitude as he felt guilty when Marta stood up for what was right and did not pay the money. The principal must have also been moved by the dignity and integrity shown by Marta. Question 8. Marta's grandfather says little, but his words and action mean much to Marta. What does Marta learn from him? So she learns to have integrity and always stand up for what was right. She could have paid the money and got the jacket that should have rightfully been awarded to her, but to do so would mean to go against everything that jacket stood for. Even though she was upset that he did not give her money. She knew that he was right, and did not right, and she did the right thing to do. Question number 9. Circle the word that describe grandpa: impatient, sharp, impulsive, and dignified. So sharp, wise, and dignified. These are the words. अप्रिशिएटिंग द टेक्स्ट को देखते हैं भाई, बहुत बड़ा ये क्वेश्चन है. मैं डायरेक्टली आंसर पे जाती हूँ. देखिए आंसर इसका क्या है. When a story is told from the first person point of view, the narrator is the character in the story. tells the story using the pronoun one. The pronoun first, me, we and us. Tell us the story that she experiences it. How does the first person narrative limit the information you receive? Why do you think the writer choose to use a first person narrative? Narrating a story from the first person's point of view will mean that the story will only contain what that character sees and experiences. This limits the background information and context that we otherwise gain. Nothing is seen from from the other character's point of view. The writer chooses the first person narrative, so the readers have to work with the limited knowledge, just like Marta herself. Question number two: Marta and her grandfather are the main characters in the story. As protagonist a protagonist or the main character creates the action of the plot and engages readers. Creates the action of the plots and engages reader, arousing their empathy and interest. The protagonist is often a hero or heroine of the story. The other characters are known as the minor characters. Describe how the minor characters interact with Marta. The main characters do not interact much with Marta, but their words and the way they think do impact Marta. Mr. Sedgwick values Marta's hard work and dedication and stands up for her. Mr. Boone was not only prejudiced against Marta due to her ethnicity and her social standing, but he also clearly does not value hard work as much as Mr. Sidgwick. The principal intentionally went along with Mr. Boone's wish, but added a condition to make Marta pay. However, looking at her giving up the jacket because her grandfather taught her dignity in the face of prejudice make him realize how low he had stooped, and so he corrected that. ठीक है, अब देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है जो अप्रिशिएटिंग द टेक्स्ट है, वो ये है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 बुक में देखिए प्लीज़। Marta's grandfather is a dignified man who knew his and his family's self-worth. He is an old man who still toiled in the fields to provide for his family, all in the hopes that they will have a brighter future than his. He understood the importance of education, having made the decision to pay for his grandfather's fees, for grandchildren's fees and support to them. He was a man of integrity, and even though he knew Marta would be hurt when the scholarship jacket would not come to her, he knew that integrity was a vital lesson she needed to learn. He not only makes Marta brave enough to stick to her ideals and not pay for the jacket, but also made the principal realize how wrong or what he was. अब ग्रामर और यूसेज के क्वेश्चन बच्चों आप बुक में देखिए, इसके आंसर्स मैं यहाँ पे बता दूँ आपको। पहला देखिए जो आंसर है, द फर्स्ट वॉज गिवन इन योर बुक, द सेकेंड इज ऑटो, that is inference. Third is would, that is checking preference. Fourth is might, that is probability. Five is shall, that is offer. Six could, ability in the past. Seven must, necessity. Eighth should, advice. बी जो है वो खुद ही ट्राई करिए। सी को देखते हैं। we could not have we would not have brought it if it had looked stale. He really he should not have walked such a long distance to buy mangoes. He forget his age sometimes. Preet, no, she would not have spent more time on our costumes but on our acting instead. He could not have lost his way because he has been here twice before. Joe, actually, I wasn't really exceeding the speed limit. but I dared not to argue with him. I didn't have the courage. 7. We need not to go to the movie theater to book them. वर्ड्स इन यूज़ में आंसर देखेंगे। पहले का आंसर ये, दूसरे का ये, तीसरे का जी, फोर्थ का सी, 5D, 6B और 7th एफ। बी को ट्राई करिए। सी देखेंगे, फॉर दिस रेसिपी वी use only a handful of raisins. Whatever our achievement at the tournament, it will be because of our coach. Alpana distributed sweets to everyone in her neighborhood. A mere photo cannot capture the vastness of the ocean. 6. The strange picture had no a caption, and that increased my curiosity. स्पेलिंग की बात करें तो थिएटर और मर्ज जो है वो करेक्ट स्पेलिंग है अकॉर्डिंग टू योर क्वेश्चन। यहाँ पे देखिए, यहाँ पे जो ट्रेवल्ड है और ऑनर है, दीज आर द करेक्ट। और तीसरे में देखेंगे ह्यूमर और फुलफिल, करेक्ट स्पेलिंग है, ठीक है, ब्रिटिश इंग्लिश के अकॉर्डिंग। स्पीच प्रैक्टिस और राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस, ये आपने खुद ही ट्राई करनी है बच्चों। तो आज के इस वीडियो में हम लोगों ने क्लास 7th से चैप्टर 7 को कंप्लीट किया। अभी उम्मीद है कि इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर आपको समझ में आए होंगे और आपको आपके असाइनमेंट को कंप्लीट करने में हेल्पफुल होंगे। ठीक है, अगर वीडियो पसंद आई होगी तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए, वीडियो को लाइक करिए और शेयर करिए। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। टिल दैट टाइम स्टूडेंट, थैंक यू सो मच।